Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into your Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find System Settings. Here find screen recording option, and now scroll down and find here picture option. So here we got definition option, so go into this, and here we choose our quality. So we got 4 options: high, medium, low and customize. If you tap customize, we got our resolution and our bitrate. So for example, I wanna this one, and for saving click back and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.